Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to tag people in iPhone photos and add them to the people album. Apple's Photos app includes a people and pets album that makes it easy to find every picture of the same person or fur baby organized into separate sub albums. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you do this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. If there is someone you not seeing in the people and pets album you would like to add, it's quick and easy. For this, open the Photos app and open the photo of someone you would like to include in your people and pets album. Once you open the photo, swipe up on the photo. Next, tap the question mark icon that appears at the lower left of the photo. If there are multiple people or pets, you will see several icons. And then tap Edit Name and Photos. Next, tap the person's name. Under Results, you will see any contacts with the same name. Tap the contact to link it to the photos and then tap Done. You will have to tap Done again to confirm. Now navigate to the People and Pets album in the Photos app and you will see the new person here. If you don't see the People and Pets album in the Photos app, scroll to the very bottom and tap Customize and Reorder to make sure you have easy access to this album collection, and you are done. I hope you find this video helpful to tag people in iPhone photos and add them to the People album. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.